상처를 줬어. 하지만 절대 쉽게 포기 안 해. 우리 사랑을 위해 싸울 거라고. 아빠,
왜 전화했어?
오늘 집에 좀 가게 해주세요.
넌 집에 못 가?
더 이상 걱정하실 필요 없어요. 아빠가 맞았어요. 저한테 딴 여자가 생겼고, 그리고 더 이상 계산하지 않아요.
안 돼. 넌 학기 동안 거기 있을 거고, 넌 널 못 믿는다.
집에 삐뚤어 더 이상 사랑하지 않아요.
알아! 하지만 넌 사랑하잖아!
제발 집에 가게 해주세요, 아빠. 제발 집에 가게 해주세요. 아빠. 집에 가게 해주세요, 아빠. 집에 가게 해주세요. 아빠.
Basta ang pinalit mo, yun yung tumulong sa'yo kagabi. Hindi mo siya dapat binastos. Ano mo siya? Hindi ba dapat matulunit siya sa kanyang naging?
Sandy! Sandy! Sandy siya! Siya kasi! Ako kasi! Siya wala kang call! Siya! Siya! Sandy, ano ba yung ginagawa mo sa buhay mo? Anong tigilan mo yung ginagawa mo? Ano ba tama na mag-usap tayo?
Sandy, we can talk about this, please. Sandy. Let's talk about this. Ano ginagawa mo? Saan ka pupunta?
Stop there! Can I say?
Sandy, Sandy! Sandy, ano ba?
If you stop there, can you?
Sandy, please!
Sandy, Sandy!
naman! Ano ba, please?
Let me go if you care for me.
Sandy! Sandy!
Where are you going?
Sundan natin sa Sandy! Bakit sa buwan ngayon?
Anong gagawin natin? Isa na siyang kumpong extreme eh. Saan kayo nagpunta yun? Dito kayo maghanap. Dito ako. Halika na.
Sandy!
Krong, krong! Nalita, help me please. What's wrong? I'm flying back to Korea today. I need your help. What? As in now? Yes, asap, asap. Help me. Bring my bag in. Ma'am Benny, pakidala yung luggage niya. I was calling you the whole night, pero hindi ka na talaga maabot. You mean I can't be reached? Eh kasi nga, di ba exam week namin? Eh, super billing naman yung parents ko na kunin sa cellphone ko ng PA ko kasi kailangan ko mag-concentrate and review. Di ba exam week nga? Yes, but can you help me fly back to Busan? You're my only hope. Mama Judith and Michelle, they don't want me to see Peter again. I don't know anybody else. Ikaw lang kaibigan ko dito sa Pilipinas. Wow, parang man tayo characters sa Hirang. Super best friends, katulad ni Steffi at Margaret. O, di ba? Ay, wait. Here's Miss Craig, my agent.
Hi, Melissa.
How are you, LTNH?
Ha? Ano yun?
Long time no hear. Miss Craig, I need your help. When is the latest flight to Busan, Korea? Hindi biro ang mga challenges na ginagawa ni Sandara. Mula Maynila, niya lalakbayin niya papunta sa Busan, Korea. Sa araw na ito, isang flight na lang ang maaring sakyan ni Sandara. At 3 seats na lang available sa flight na ito. Makukuha kaya ni Sandara ang ticket babalik ng Korea at mayakap ulit si Peter? Pagbabalik po ang race of my life. Yes, Miss Carr, we're proceeding to your office now. Sige po, buyers! What? Ano sabi niya? 3 ticket na lang natitira sa last flight. Mang Benny, come on, sa office ng agent ko. Yes, Mang Benny. Here's 100 pesos and yes, I will look for a Korean wife for you if you drive very fast. Let's go, come on! Miss Carr, please do everything you can for my friend Sandy.
I am. I know. I'm doing my best.
How many more seats available, Miss Carol?
5 minutes ago, there was just 1 seat left.
One seat? Kunin niyo na po yung para kay Sandy.
Melissa, I'm doing my best. Relax, okay?
This is a race of my life. Miss Carol, please help me.
Okay, doing my best.
Tama si Sandy. This is the race of her life. Karera ng kanyang puso. Isang seat na lang ang pag-asa ni Sandara. One ticket to assure her a flight back to Korea. Into Peter's arms again. Makukuha kaya ni Sandara ang ticket?
Yes, we got the last seat.
Congratulations! Lucky Sandara. Nakuha niya ang last seat pabalik sa Busan, Korea. Sandara's flight is leaving exactly in 2 hours and 29 minutes. The airline requires her to be there at least 2 hours before her flight. And that leaves her 29 minutes para makahabol sa flight niya. Everything you have to do for a longing heart. Well, no doubt about it, this is definitely the race of my life.
Sandy, Melissa, excuse me. I'll get your ticket, okay?
Imagine, I got the last seat. Swerte, di ba? Oh my gosh, it's destiny. It's like magic. You have to hurry. Oh, wait, we don't have our ticket yet. Ay, may Ina phone. Who's that calling in your Ina phone? I don't know. Maybe it's Joseph using its Angela's SIM card. Wait, I'll answer. Hello?
Hello, Melissa. Kasama ba si Krungi?
Bakit? Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Oh my gosh, 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 oh my gosh. Wow, what's happened? Oh my God.
Ina to? Pinatayan ako ng telepono.
Ayaw mo kasing maniwala sa akin eh. Naranasan ko.
Ma'am Benny, please make this van fly. I need to reach the airport in 20 minutes. Melissa, is there another way to the airport? What's happening to you? I have to say goodbye to Angela. Why? Because Michelle knows I mean it. Ano? No wonder suddenly you're very nervous. Pero Melissa, di ba we'll fight for our love? You're right. Kahit ano mangyari, we'll fight for our love. Good. That's it, Melissa. Very good. We inspire each other, okay? Okay, thank you, Sandy. Ay, Benny, let's go. Green light na. Come on.
Ayun, may taxi. Parahin nyo, bilis!
Taxi! Taxi! Paano sa airport po? Mano?
Bakit?
Sus ko na pala.
Baba. Malas naman.
Memories concern, like opening wounds. I'm picking me apart again. You all assume I'm safer in my room, unless I try to start again. I don't want to be the one who battles always choose.
Sandy!
Inside I realize that I'm the one confused. I don't know what's worth fighting for, or why I have to scream. I don't know why I instigate and say what I don't mean. I don't know how I got this way. I know it's not alright, so I'm breaking the habits. I'm breaking the habits.
You're my best friend, okay? Yes, and I hope we'll see each other soon. Even if you're Korea, I promise I'll visit you there. Wait for me. Take care of yourself, ha? Mag-ingat ka dun. I really want to thank you for your kindness, for being like a sister to me. It's okay, Sandy. Don't cry. OMG! Why? another 100 pesos, plus 2 Korean whites, okay? Sandy, where is my 2 coat on the airplane? Magbe-hintayin niyo ako dito. Come on, let's go! I think it's all up! Wait, I have a plan. Try this. Come on, let's go. Sandy, you have to hide. I'll try to lose them. Will you see me when you check in here, okay? Bye. Maraming utot mo, Melis. Say goodbye to me. Bye. Keep it together. Hoy! Si Krong! Si Melissa! Melissa! Si Krong!
Tara, habulin natin.
Teka!
Sandy!
Ano bang problema ni Rafael tungkol ba sa grades niya?
This is not...
Come here, ticket, and I'll allow you inside. Okay. Where's my ticket? I cannot find my ticket. Show me your ticket now. Maybe it's in my big bag. Okay, show me. Can I look for it inside? So that I can tell the airline to stop outside?
We don't... I cannot allow you get this,
I have to leave
We have a
now.
policy here that no ticket, no entry.
No, but I have to leave now. I'm going control here in the Philippines. What?
What do you mean? What's wrong, bro?
You're Filipino, but you don't know what's the meaning of control. Like this. This will happen to me if you don't let me in.
Wait, sir.
Ticket. Okay, ma'am, please calm down, okay? Okay, I'll give you another chance. I'll give you 10 minutes to look for your ticket. Okay, so that's fine?
Yes. Utot mo. Sobrang utot mo talaga. Please guard my luggage, okay?
Okay, stay on the side, please, so we'll not hamper the flow of traffic. Listen,
Sorry.
please. Just wait, okay? Let's go. Slowly, please. Okay. Thank you.
Excuse me, miss. Are you